keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, then welcome. My name is Allie, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make your home smell like Christmas without using candles. Now, lots of us might be getting ready to entertain for the holidays, so maybe we'll want to explore some other options in terms of how to get our house to smell like Christmas without having to light anything. Or maybe we just want to know so that we can enjoy it for ourselves and really bring in that cozy Christmas feeling to go with all of the beautiful decor you've set out, bring in another element of sensory experience to your home. Now, maybe you have small children and that's one of the reasons why you don't want to use candles anymore. Or maybe you just don't like having an open flame or anything lit in the house. I hear you. I remember when I started changing my air filters, when I used to burn a lot more candles in my home, it really turned me off to lighting them. I definitely don't light them as frequently as I used to. So I found some other really creative ways to share with you for how you can make your home smell like Christmas without having to light a candle. These are easy, festive, simple ways that you can do it, and I can't wait to share them with you. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. That really helps my channel, and I do love hearing what you think, so I really appreciate that. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
All right, so I finally finished decorating my home for the holidays, and I just released a Christmas home tour just about a week ago. So if you haven't seen that yet, definitely go give that a watch. I'll link it for you down below. It just came out so nice, and now I'm ready to get my home to smell like Christmas. And the first way that I'm going to do that today is by using a candle warmer. Now, you guys, I found this candle warmer a couple of months back. I picked it up at Kirkland's, actually. It was on sale, and I found a very similar one for you guys on Amazon, which I linked for you down below. But I really like the natural wood tones. I really like the soft bronze detail. I really just love the shape of that glass lamp shade, and I love that it comes with a dimmer switch. So this is really important because I'm going to place this candle here. This is a sweet buttered croissant candle that I picked up from HomeGoods, and it's got organic wax. And if you can crank this all the way up if you want like a stronger scent, but I also really like that you can turn the dial down maybe if you want a more softer scent. So sometimes depending on the candle, you can have something that's really strong. So you just want it to burn a little bit, just sort of have it wafting through the air as you have your guests arrive for the holidays.
Is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay.
I decided to move it around, and I also wanted to show you guys what it looks like in my coffee bar area. So I thought this was a nice area to use, and I hid that black plug and the dimmer switch behind that festive holiday mirror. And then I just arranged my little bottle brush trees, and I like it here. I think it's cozy and warm, and I like that it's a smaller area and we can see it better from our kitchen. In either place, it would work out great.
I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow.
One of my hands down favorite ways to make my home smell like Christmas is to use a simmer pot. So you just want to start by placing some natural ingredients into a pot, such as dried orange slices, some fresh rosemary, some of your favorite spices. Really anything will work. I love cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and allspice. And you just want to fill it with water and set it on top of a stove and bring it to a boil. And once it boils, you lower it to a simmer and you just let it ride for as long as you like. I love doing this the day before a holiday, and then that morning of the holiday, I fire it back up again. It will make your home smell absolutely incredible.
Cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for
These simmer pots also make beautiful gifts. So if you watched my previous video on DIY gifts, I'll link that for you down below. All you do is you add every single ingredient except for the water, and then you just add a little sprig, maybe a nice velvet ribbon, and a gift tag, and it comes out so beautiful. I don't know anybody who doesn't enjoy receiving a gift like this.
you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me.
I recently received a gift of this Fraser fir incense, and I had never thought about using incense around the holidays, but I gave it a try. You will not believe, you guys, how amazing this incense smells. And one of the things that I love most about it is that there is no open flame that has to continuously burn on your countertop. You just light this once and then you can blow it out, and it will just give a very slow burn down until it reaches the end of the stick. But what I also love about it is that you don't even need to let it burn that much. It is so potent, but in a nice way. So even if you just have this going for like 20 minutes before guests arrive, and then you can put it away, or you can leave it out on your counter because it looks really beautiful. You can style it amongst your other Christmas decor, and it just smells absolutely incredible, just perfect for that holiday scent. Another one of my favorite ways to make my home smell like Christmas is to create a blend with essential oils. I like to make a blend for every season in my home, so this is a great time to do one for the holidays. I'm going to start with some pine oil, some clove oil, some cinnamon bark oil, and some frankincense, but you can use whatever you like, sticking to 3 or 4 scents max. I feel like anything more than that tends to either be overpowering or you tend to lose the notes of the important scents that you want. But I think that pine, spruce, fir, any of those are great options for Christmas time. So I'm starting by measuring 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, and I'm placing it in this amber glass spritzer. And now I'm going with 4 drops of pine oil, 3 drops of clove oil, 3 drops of cinnamon oil, and 2 drops of frankincense oil. And now I'm just adding that into the rubbing alcohol in that spritzer, making sure that I get every little last drop of those oils. And then I'm going to top it off with distilled water. Just giving this a very light, gentle shake so that all the oils can blend together. And now I'm taking out my label maker just because I will forget what is in all of these different bottles. I tend to do this a lot. So I'm using the label maker. It's one of my favorite things. Honestly, I use it for everything. And I am just writing Christmas EO blend on the label maker. And now I can get to the fun part, which is spritzing it on all of my Christmas home decor.
That is it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I wish that I could send you these beautiful scents that are coming through my home to yours, but I guarantee you that if you try any of these alternative ways to make your home smell like Christmas without having to light a candle, you will not be disappointed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think. Tell me what you enjoyed most about it, and maybe if you learned something new, or if you have another favorite way that you like to bring a holiday scent to your home. Thank you so much for being here. I'm really so happy that you're here, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present.